very event, Professor Sumitra Fanjobam, Vice Chancellor in Charge, Manipur University, Presidium members, Nongpongan Bayambim, President Musud 2025-26, Professor C.H. Ibohol Singh, Dean Students Welfare, Manipur University, followed by Guest of Honor, Professor M.C. Arun Kumar, Dean, School of Human and Environmental Sciences, Manipur University, and Professor M. Premjit Singh, Registrar, Manipur University, to please grace the dais.
Đúng à.
Thank you so much, esteemed dignitaries. Now I invite Mayang Lambam Malemngan Bamaite, General Secretary, Manipur University Students Union, to please felicitate the dignitaries on the dais as a token of appreciation and gratitude. Ngasi Lingson Biriba, Chief Guest, President Amadi, Guest of Honor, the Sinjari Bamaike Degi, Jamlaba Kudol Potsing, Kudol Tambinabagi Damakta, Kautokjage, and Malengan Bamaite, General Secretary, Manipur University Students Union. To our respected chief guest of today's function, Professor Sumitra Panjobam, Vice Chancellor in Charge, Manipur University. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you for your gracious presence. For guest of honor, we have Professor M.C. Arun Kumar, Dean, School of Human and Environmental Sciences. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your gracious presence. We have Professor M. Premjit Singh, Registrar, Manipur University. Thank you so much, sir, once again for your wonderful presence. Professor C.H. Ibohol Singh, Dean Students Welfare, Manipur University. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence. We also have Nongpongan Bayambim, President, Manipur University Students Union. Thank you so much for your gracious presence. Thank you so much, Mayang Lambam Malengan Bamaite, for doing the honor. Now, to mark the inauguration of this prestigious event, I invite our respected dignitaries to please proceed for the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. Ngasigi thoram hodok charakpada mapung faba yaifaba thoram tekta gaidana haunabagi damakta isa isagi famfam langdagi lengkhat piduna mayra chukhatpagi thoram asida sarukyanaba ningsingjari. Thagajari. Thank you, esteemed guest. Ladies and gentlemen, as we continue with today's program, I invite everyone to please rise for the state song followed by the university anthem.
Hello, check.
Hello,
Hello,
check.
hello,
Hello,
hello, hello.
hello, check.
Sana leibang Manipur, Manipur. Sana leibang Manipur, Manipur. Koloy nanggi Manipur, Manipur. Koloy nanggi Manipur, Manipur. Lai janunggi mani narakilaya, lai janunggi mani narakilaya. Bigtag na mga chawbini, bigtag na mga chawbini. Sana leibang Manipur, Manipur. Sana leibang Manipur, Manipur. Koloy nanggi Manipur, Manipur. Koloy nanggi Manipur, Manipur. Inumbong lagi haurabi, Jinglo na palat haribi. Inumbong lagi haurabi, Jinglo na palat haribi. Sanglan fi Josepi, chan bihaibi. Sanglan fi Josepi, chan bihaibi. Jingnalim nang anthoy nibi, Jingnalim nang anthoy nibi. Sana leibang Manipur, Manipur. Sana leibang Manipur, Manipur. Koloy nanggi Manipur, Manipur. Koloy nanggi Manipur, Manipur. Kay nayang kumawong ni Sumhaday oy bisatam ni Kay nayang kumawong ni Sumhaday oy bisatam ni Kurogi ahan ba kong dapam oy ribi Kurogi ahan ba kong dapam oy ribi Na chanaw yung na kolhaybi Khoi rung mong mon minom lay tingbi Na chanaw yung na kolhaybi Khoi rung mong mon minom lay tingbi Sana na itathaw balam Lupa na kong kultin malam Sana na itathaw balam की खेनाबा थमदना महैरोय नाया लिंगदबा अवांग बथाकी सिंदम संगी लौसिंगी मंगाल पिबिदुना मालेम सिनांग अलहनबियु मणिपुर ताइबंग महैको तौबी हेइमा कांचीपुर लमदम मसाई कोदा तुमथिना नालीबी महैकोनी महैरोय कयाबो लमजिंगलीबा मणिपुर ताइबंग महैकोनी कांचीपुर लमदम मसाई कोदा तुमथिना नालीबी महैकोनी तुमथिना नालीबी महैकोनी तुमथिना नालीबी महैकोनी
Namak po thagachari, isa-isa gi fampham langda amok lengsin binaba amok nolukchari. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to officially welcome and to officially commence this event, I invite N. Sanatoy Singh, Finance Secretary, Manipur University Students Union 2025-26, to please deliver the welcome address.
Mahammaktada Mapu Kaikumna Bochari Asi Chief Guest ki Pupong Lang the Lingchin Biriba Professor Ma'am Sumitra Panjobam Vice Chancellor in charge MU Pusui Kaikumna Bochari Amadi Guest of Honor ki Pupong Lang the Lingchin Biriba Professor MC Arun Kumar Dean School of Human and Environmental Science MU Pusui Kaikumna Bochari Amadi Professor M. Premjit Singh Register MU Busu Kaikum Navochari Amadi Professor C.S. Ibol Singh Dean Students Welfare MU Busu Kaikum Navochari Amadi Ai Yamba Nopong Anba Yambem President Musu 25-26 Busu Kaikum Navochari Amadi University Asigi Asawa Thaudang Lawiriba Administration Gi Amadi Examination Gi Amadi Tongan Ba Department Gi Lakbiriba Scholar Singh Oja Singh Amadi Chhatra Punamuk Busu Kaikum Navochari Amadi Loshilapoloina Asi Tharam Masibu Pan Bi Vigam the Lapiri Punamokusu Kaikum Navochari.
Thank you so much, and Sanatoy Singh, Finance Secretary, Manipur University Students Union, for your welcome address. Now, I would like to invite M. Malengan Bamete, General Secretary, Manipur University Students Union 2025-26, to please deliver the keynote address.
Hamamaktada ngasigi chief guest ki phambam langda phambi Bingoi Panjarab Professor Sumitra Pangjobam Vice Chancellor University guest of honor Professor MC Arun Kumar Dean School of Environment Science MU Professor M. Premjit Singh Registrar Manipur University Amadi President members in the Nopong Amba Yambem President Musu Amadi Professor C.S. Ibol Dean Student Welfare MU Ngasi Musuna 46 Foundation Day come Environment Day June ki date 5 2026 ta Auditorium Hall da pangthoriba nunggi oibagi wakalon khatang musuki site ki tang thamjage June 7 numit asi yamna maru oiba numini numit asida Manipur history da asauba mafam ama Kanduna Lady, Madam Di, Numit Asida, Higher Education, Lambida Asauba, Taudang, Ama Lauriba, Manipur University Foundation, Topiramba, Amadi, World Environment Day, Tabaga, Yena, I Foundation Day, Matang, Hapetang, Anitona, Hajaraga, the Foundation Day, Environment Day, Matang, Hajage, Emugi, History Hapet, Palabada, 1972. Post-graduation of JNU Center Oina, Manipur University, Lairambani, June 5, 1980, the State University of State Government of Manipur, MUSC State University, oina Manipur University Act 1980 establish tawrambana matam aduda oja guru saknai raba mi hoising asoba thodang kaya lobiki masina state higher education da asoba mafam ama oiri ahum subada MU Act 2025 ki matung ina MU si Central University oina Central Government na pass tawr matung da Central funded tawduna tawraki masina research amadi infrastructure department da khumang kaya sausali hauji MU 2026 da MU ki phibam asi MU manung asida 9 school of study 47 department amadi 7 center of state attached to the best school of university aduga college 126 college affiliate tawi MU manung da 46 government college 1 constituent college government aided ta private college ta permanent da kuntare amasung private college temporary da 35 masina lamdam asida research ki hiramda maru oiba thodang kaya lowi habi tai men oina foundation day asi maru oibagi contribution kharadam palabda MU da produce generation of teacher photographer scientists artists leader and administration service in both Manipur and Indian university asi root cause oiriba culture language amasung knowledge system of Manipur asi university asi digi phangali 1980 da Manipur University successful bridge between the local aspiration and local government standard involving from the state institution into a private central university aroibada government amasung oja sing miyamna pundana hona biduna mahiroi ki foundation de program pangthokpa asida mahiroi singbu mang pibinaba amasung tungi afabal mahi masing gi lambida yatpa ningsingba ama oina foundation de pangthokpani environment day gi matangda hapetang harabada June 5 1972 asida UN General Assembly da first day of Stockholm Convention ki matung dagi ngasi fawda 54 year foundation environment ne pangthokpani hantak sahi gi theme oina inspired by the nature for the climate for the future musuna environment day asimaru oina lawjar bimbaram di masina create awareness ka apiri masida khudong thingai oiraba environment issues samna palabada climate change pollution deforestation loss of biodiversity amasung water scarcity asina singba asigumba khudong tingai oiraba environment asigi pollution amadi conserve taunaba mairoi sing amadi university asi saru yajari habadu uli amadi tungi future generation ki khalaga environment conservation asi maru oina hana lojai recent focus of government gi matung ina point mari katang government kanna project preserve tawnaba kan honari AI for the climate change AI season raga focus the climate change kumba disaster kumba khangthoknaba AI dagi climate change ki aduga clean energy phangnaba honabada green hydrogen kanu sejanaba amasung pollution amadi clean transport oinaba e-vehicle sejanaba amasung akogi citizen smart city orakpana capacity dealing of with the climate stock ki matung ina building resistant city sagarpa aroi beda haining badi Manipur University ki asi seng haibada hafta khudingi phongba newspaper ga sam manare Manipur University ki matang asida ai dis hafta khudingi phongba sida afaba yawm ba phataba yawm hafta khudingi phongpa oina ujare akoin ujabada retire oiraba ojar sing amadi Manipur University MU topiramba thabak sing staff sing moina khalam gadabo wakhal sing amadi wakhalon sing adu asauba wahang oiri akoina musuno mahiroi sing amadi asoi aranba kaya takpi gani oja singbu maikai takpi gani amadi manglomda kut paibi gani haina mahiroi singna university si tamjarak pani adubu oja kharana oja oibagi principle respect amadu dignity ethics asina asi oja gi community punbada amuba kali taisan bani haina musuna lawjai masina oja satra ani gi marakta lainagadaba mari adu hantanabane हंथनबा ओहली लौजै अरोइबदा मणिपुर यूनिवर्सिटी अफबा मांगोमदा संगसनबा संगबा अमा ओइना होनाबदा ओजा छात्र अमदि स्टेक होल्डर सिंग पुन्ना सरुक यामिनदुना अखोय मणिपुर इमा लेबाक असी करिगुंबा कंट्रीब्यूशन खरा पुन्ना तौमिरंबदा मयाम पुन्ना सरुक याजरी हाय मतंग से लोसंजरी
Thagachari M. Malengamba Meite, General Secretary, Manipur University Students Union, Nashigi Pangtok Riba, Termsiga Mari Lainana, keynote address ta Yam Pazana, Tambiran Bagitamakta, Tagapafong Dokchari. Matangi, Asina, Tora Makaja Tajarak Oina, Nasigi Tora Masigi, Ikaikum Najariba, Guest of Honor Ama Oina, Linksin Biriba, Dean School of Human and Environmental Sciences, Manipur University, Ming Oina Hangacharabada, Professor MC Arun Kumar, Ikaikum Najaribana, Tora Asigi, Mari Lainaba, Wafam Tambina, but no Lukchari.
Madam BC, Registrar Manipur University, Mr. President Musu, Amadi Dean Students Welfare, Mang the Linksin Biriba, Senior colleagues, Amadi colleagues, and friends. Musugi Narang Nahan, Kanano Yukang de Ponda, Samaina. Thoramam Paksuk Tori, Onte Yogi Bayakatra, and if you gave a mic, they do lecture again, Pagi Wakari way, Hajakiban. From that day, I on the foundation day of Manipur University, Hyderabad. Manipur University, Swagi Wakan Kara, Itias Kara, Kari Kara, Aisum Wakanzi, Matang Lapani, Tudon Kaluba Sunate, Madam di Mayam among the Toga was Unangurim, Nina, Kitan Kanba, Matonta Dum Laksava. And I remember some 14, 15 years mook, Suramadra, Suramoidra, I do that. I gave Professor Kavagi interviewed. Visitor gi nominee oikiba Tezpur University gi matamdugi BC duna aingonda question nama hangki. What is university to you? University haibasigi arthasa nangonda kari haina khalli hai. Interview ne khara semjan sajalaga khara taunaba larik khara haiba manaba kaidaunaba taubani maramdi Kaga the very later of the kitten mark Nungaitana, Managa, sending a do and hire a Tobusun Nungaitavanina. That also from other university, BC Amanaga High with it. Many university high said to me. It is an institution, resource key, knowledge key, impart chuta gadava, aduga, existing knowledge dusu, to guy gadava dugumba, institution dubu, I on the university, Kawiana Kali. We don't have to follow the existing knowledge system. Rather, we will create a new horizon for the new knowledge. Adu itaragadi arhana leiramiba knowledge isu akoina angang da tambiba research tawanba as well as anova knowledge system amasu akoina puthok na bagidamakta akoina research tawri neba. Research saibasa repetitive exercise aman natiaba. It is to create a new horizon in the knowledge system, in the horizon of knowledge. But when I ask myself, what is Manipur University to you? Manipur University haibasa aingonda masigi arthasikari leibage haidana aina abu yengjaba matamdadi Manipur University haibasa aigi yum lingba ngamnabagi damakta tolop sabham aigi sin subam adugumba mapam adu khakta nati aingonda de sigi mapam asa aigi tolop sabham aina larik tawam aina society da pongjeruba yananaba Ozamani, University Ozani, Professor Ni, Din Oire, Adu Taure, Haidana, University, I mean, society Atopa Mapamda, Chatamatamda, Aigi, social acceptability, Hangat Nabagi, Adugumba, Pida Ama, Adugumba, Mapam Ama, Adugumba, Tabak Ama, Toba, Adugim Mapam to Nasadieva, to me at least. Manipur University, Hairakanda, Aino Uzava Amakakti. Karino haiba matam da ngasai kan hona akoi gi ina omen su Manipur University gi itias General Secretary na haipet palam me 1972 1980 then 2005 la kano adugi kaino sima akoi da haipet su palam me beyond that Manipur ga Bharat ka tinjinnaba numit tu da Manipur ga Bharat ka tinjinnaba amadi tinjinnaba ado enforced over 15 October 1949 da toba matam da hanagi else kainota kaino hanagi Asia gi state ama oirami ba Southeast Asia gi nongchup thangba saruk ta leiramba tiny kingdom ama maduna India da punba matam da India da Parsi state da aikoi sa thamme without having any legislative power. It shocked us. Manipur gi itihas ta asuk sathina shock oiba asuk sathina shocking oiba event amata ekoi gi ipa ipu singduna thengna ki deba. Lan kaya tauki ekoi na ngamba yawi mi na ngam ki ba yawi phu ki ba yawi ekoi na phuru ba yawi chatlaga phuru ba yawi laga phu ki ba su yawi aduk sathina ekoi da shock tau deba. But 15 October the day I Parsi state thamme. From that day, from the day one, Manipur demanded statehood status. Statehood pigadavani full-fledged statehood pigadavani haiba demand amatawi adugi pochina 1972 da statehood phangakadori ne. Madugi statehood demand to wasiga loina na University amal linkat kadavani haibasa atumak yaudana la eba. Because of that, when we attend the full-fledged statehood ama aikoina 1972 the phangba matamda JNU gi center sa 1972 the la eba. Sa tan chana rubanate itihas ki tan chana rubanate 1960 49 do the gina 1972 forward struggle to rakiba equigi ipa ipu singduna Manipur say statehood oiba as well as anuba Manipur sembada we need a university which can give us the future direction ama equi the pigadava brighter Manipur amagi better Manipur amagi good Manipur amagi brilliant Manipur amagi direction pigadori vasa university na pigadabani haibaduna neva 49 onward till 1972 da aikoina university linkadabani state root pigadabani haidana haide ivasa mado 72 da we get one campus JNU gi campus ama aikoi da phange as well as kaino sida aikoi kaino state root phange 1980 Manipur ga Satra Singna, Naharon Singna, Angakpa Pangna, foreigner gi, karigi, karagi, with a new consciousness, Makwina demand to demographic imbalance to Akwida do to Akwigi survival, sa, Kamain to Godorino, Haibagi, question Nama, cheat to Wumatamda about 1.5 years Muksa. Agitation tawi academic calendar sa pukai kaidana kaidodana tawrini mi sinari bani kaidori bani sigi matam asa masidai sidasu aikoina full-fledged Manipur University ama pigadavani haibasa madugi kainotu da movement to gi part lai and because of that demography gi foreigner gi kari gi agreement innabaga loina na Manipur University full-fledged university ama campus nataba JNU gi campus nataba full-fledged university ama semgadavani haibasa 1980 da lakpaduna state university sa phongdore yeah and adugi pocha masi leibasa masi amuk when ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ human rights ki afaspa gi movement se angakpa phangna lakpa matamda monorama gi ihogi kari gi lakpa matam sida amuk Bharat ki prime minister na Kangla da laaga Manipur gi university asa central university oiragani haidana laukthokpa sa masi kanaga iroina na lakpano haiba matamda monorama gi amadi human rights ki dagi kari gi agitation maraktu da poche lae thereby Manipur University haibasa isam chamna lairik tampham education pithok pisingi certificate pisingi wanate masa aikhoigi hana haukreba ipu sing aduna semningba Manipur amagi direction sa pigadoriba mahigi mafam plan gi mafam idea gi mafam madugi pochini haidana aidi lojai thereby aingondadi Manipur University da sendrang ama sibagisu natragana classroom da ising jurakpa haibasa masi natragana any cover da ata khodingi cover da yaurena general secretary na hairambasa phanabu oiro phatanabu oiro aduga ayama tamdana cover aisimang da phataba ngakta ining batong su tawi aikoigi crore amagi mayagi project orakpadudi musu khangu khangam giro life science da chemistry da physics da antro da laiba then atai subject da economics da laiba project mayam singsigi poraiba input mayam maduna silaka doriba anuba Manipur gi plans anuba Manipur plan semna bagi tongan ba database policy kainoda matter da piraka doriba input mayam sa masidi khabar da kaya yaugande khabar yaurisina aduga taure ada taure na aisu nungaijate hairiba sing asa when aikhoigi image da Manipur University gi image da tarnish tawgadaba negative impact leigadaba pau ama taba matamda aingonda nungaijadribadi aina leiriba aina thabak subam du da mina chairi e haiba khaktan natana 1949 da leikiba ipai ipusing aduna khanjakriba dream ado madu aikhoina fulfill tawba ngamdrabara madugi dream du da kari asoiba ma leikiba dagino ai oja Hemkumar na kaino din students welfare oiring da ai he phagi tawe Manipur University nalarga irangam thui nalarga watho ama thui sikari gi no aina tawmatam da aikhoigi ahanba ai phagi taw najabani mayam subject to correction aikhoigi ahanba jatra hunba se lamta thang jata ki ber kanom tawena maduna adum irang se hojik phawbal leitaba aduna maiba maibi tawraga angtang oja Sumitra leiringe da oja Hemkumar hoi leiringe da angtang masigi angtang tingkok na ba laikok na ba angtang puja nongja khara tawba ipan thaba ma sangi hane ai lojai maramdi this Manipur University sa Allahabad University gumbanate Guwahati University gumbanate Tezpur University gumbanate maramdi sigi university sa sagatpa matamda mirol amagi asa maduda sagalakpaneba aduna atopi yengbiyo akoigi Manipur University si khaktanateba state sida leiriba university sa we have some other universities technical university leiri agriculture ki kari ki karagi many other general university haina mayamna khangnari bazida su mari manga hena leiriyaba madugi university sing du da yamna chauna register na soibagi oiro BC na soibagi oiro kari gi oiro pau yaurakpa matamda miyam sina adu hakna thamoi kaide adu hakna kaino kaide ba ai khoi da khatang soiba matamda khatang soiba adugi soiri du di akoina udraba leidana but miyam da di they think that akoina khanjari ba dreams sa akoina 49 dagi sagachara iba arangba Manipur amagi mangsa kairagadra akoina pami ba Manipur sigi direction na sa university sina piba ngamaroidra haibagi miyam de mi paijaba am leya and we have to respect the people's aspiration, people ki kaino desire sing people ki kaino sing ado akoina yabam thu en khali akoina respect of hum thu en khali aduga sini aduga own environment de gi sidadi akoina is inspired from the nature the volcano tauraga ising chauraga samudra tsunami laga mi si ai very natural. It has nothing to do with a natural thing. A natural way with respect to the man. Nature si da wakan kanbang ngami basa mi si ne. Mi si katang ni wakan kalisa. Brain haraga di nature ki or anatomy ki part amane law rasi, but mind itself to the human oiba pot amane aba. Nature si the wakan kanbang ngami basa mi khatani na nature duga mi duga lainari ba mari Indian knowledge system ene hojik ang kan tongnari ni na prakriti duga purus duga lainaga dori ba mari sa masida prakriti duna purus ki damakta mi ki damakta taurakada badagi de mi na prakriti duda taugada thabak tu ne hena maru oire ena khali adugi pot asa aikoina diet lona responsibility lona aikoi thabak khara tawam sangena khali aduna musuna world environment day pangthok pasisu pangthok pani sigi world environment day da nature se smaina kaire air pollution asmaina taure adu taure haibu di environment science da life science da the biochemistry the biotech the even anthropology the matek sociology the matek akoi loi tammi knowledge the we have enough knowledge of environment and the environmental crisis issues to the akoi layer. We understand that luri di akoi gi knowledge sa aigi action da aigi habit da translate to ti madu kamaina translate to gudagi haibasa akoi kangi wan kari akoina haibu ngarang kaino ka tawda mayam hari se single use plastic Manipur University ki thinge saitam na thok ki bra kaino tawni sigi kaino se order se saitam na thok ne and in front of me single on the environment digi function tawring ai da ai gi da leiram mi si yeng biyo ai nga sai de gi photo ka ba da ai ta gra di phratani da ina khalle ba ina thereby I koi habit da I action da environment haibasa prakriti haibasa I partner ne prakriti ga purus ka ki partnership amal lairabani na I have to perform my duty. I have to take my responsibility towards my partner prakriti phabu phajai wai si su aduna I koi na prakriti da kari tawgada ge haibasa I habit da knowledge dang akan nataba knowledge we have enough knowledge Manipur University ki syllabus simu fazaba syllabus India da leitrabani kwai luri di madu practice to ne haba practice to si madu akoi ki action da yawhan si akoi kano to si aduna towards sustainable environment hai bi gera progress hai gera development hai gera madu da su as well as Apaba Manipur, ama sambada su, apaba future ama for our future. Foundation day for our future. Environment day for our future. Ani se tu na yengaga aikoi na anuba Manipur amagi semgat na ba na bada 1949 dagi sagalai ba mangsida aikoi na contribute tong na bagi damakta Manipur University sa amuk hanna energize to ba English ko hapsan biro I am not quite familiar with English vocabularies aduge anuba Manipur ama anuba university ama anuba masa kingbe university ama semkat pada each one of us aikoi kaino tausi aduga masida only for livelihood ki tolop sabham oina tauta ragadi aiga samung makong da leiba duga karibu khenari ke loire si khatang haijage ai aduna aiga maga aiga di dignity da di chamane lever ki dignity to di chamane ga Gandhi matung inna but गांधी नदी कहीं मणिपुर की समाज नदी समूह मखोंग मणिपुर अनूब सेमनबगीदमक्ता आशा तौरमदेब अखोइदनेब तौरमीदो अदुना मणिपुर यूनिवर्सिटी की राइट फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट सेमिस्टर टू staff to students to professors to mutagi sing to officer ki members sing that means all the members of Manipur University community na aikoi anova Manipur sigidamakta anova idea sigidamakta anova lamben sigidamakta aikoi lepham thui haibase haijaraga ai loisanjage thank you.
Thank you for your wonderful speech and your insightful knowledge, and also that was really impactful and powerful. I think we have learned a lot, and before anything, I shall remove this bottle from here. Well, yes, as we proceed forward, let me invite Professor C.H. Ibohol Singh, Dean Students Welfare, Manipur University, to please deliver some speech regarding today's program. Thank you so much.
Masi Manipur University Student Union Musu 2025-26 na sinbiba 46 Foundation Day of Manipur University loinana World Environment Day thoramasi chief guest hoina lengsin biriba hujikta mutana sinba function amada u thaba lengthok bigiba Honorable Vice Chancellor in charge Madam Sumitra Phanjobam, Guest of Honor and Lingsin Biriba, Dean School of Human and Environmental Science ki Professor M.C. Arun Kumar, Uthaba Ngak Thokpi Kiba, University ki Registrar Professor M. Premjit Singh, Loinana, Musu 25-26 ki President Sri Nongbu Amba Yambem, Loinana, Bangla Lingsin Biriba, University asigi senior professor punamak, learned faculty member punamak, officer sing, loinana musugi executive member punamak, loinana nungsijaraba university ki mahiroi punamak, ayam sang logjaroi, Madam Sumitra hoi, aduga Wazap Premjit hoi, ngaibo ina matek matangai thamjage, mamangda Mamangi Sahida Jabatai, Sigi Hall Simaktada, Koigi IQAC Director Wibiriba was a Professor Rajmani Nayamna Maru responsibility of Lauraga, Manipur University ki 45th Foundation Day, the World Environment Day plus Manipur University ki Commendation Day ki Thoram Sida Pangthoki. I got the opportunity to propose vote of thanks. Aduda ina haijagi basi Department of Environmental Science nasu World Environment Day si silli, NSS nasu silli, Unat Bharat Abhiyan nasu dum silli, Ek Bharat Shesta Bharat Sel nasu dum silli aduga Musu nasu dum silli, University nasu silli. Masi collectively koi punjal laga University community na sinba thauram moina pangthokpa yananaba administration na sinbi yo na haijagibani hujik se khoi nongpong amna horam daida haibada program mayam amasu sinbani na mi si tin mangamdre horakpa sida ina pet palnbudo ada sumning hingjarak pe wani university community na pulap padana sinba yaba thauram nina masi administration na deal to Viraga Puna Sinse, some proposed to give Dani. Anyway, Musuna Siliva programs is to Nam Sawa, program Mudi. Wari Mayamata Requi, senior veteran politician was in Haibada, 19 November, see Indira Gandhi, Mapum in the high. Aina Sumasi NSSK coordinator waiting at the Tianagi, but the Indira Gandhi NSS awards is a good ingi. 19 November da Bharat ki Rashtrapati ne gyan thui masi Indira Gandhi ki birthday ni aduna Jawaharlal Nehru ki university ama Delhi da lairi si ki PG Center ama Manipur University 1972 da hang basi Indira Gandhi ki birthday da 19 November da hang se na hang ki bani na khoi gi mingoi na panjare senior politician veteran politician hai jabatai siri ojo na thamji gi bado 1972 da gi khoi si center amon la hai JNU gi 1980 gi June ki tang manga dagi Manipur ki assembly na pass tawgiba ek amagi matungina Manipur University oirakre hairiba numitu dagi paraga mamangi chahi sida yam chauna last 45 years sida Manipur University ki achievement mayam ama mayam da su khanghanba live telecast ka thadokpa thauram ama yamna grand way da pangthokki adu commendation day haina su masak nairaba university sidagi retire taugiba oja sing aduga staff sing da yam samna ikai khumna bu utpagi thauram su yauki sahi duda maruoina world environment day numi sida piwa koigi some sort of felicitation haigadra ikai khumna bu utpoina Manipur ki media house ani da amana SK TV ni amana huyalan pauni maduda koigi Swachh Bharat mission ga mari leinaba news reporting da khwaidagi hena fazana report tawba khwaidagi hena fazana broadcast tawgiba adugi electronic media gi channel ni hedana university ne award su pigiba lei yam fazana singlemna pangthokki aduga khoi whole zone mo speak thalli hai tai oja mayam staff mayam satra satri mayam ama yaw yam fazaba singlem thorma mo oigi the last 45 years that tawgiba duti khoi ipad idea laikre last 1 year se from 6 June 2025 takina ngasi bawbu sida university achievement ga do koi khangning baduni da yam samna hairagadi madugi compendium amasu oja rajmani na puthoki mayam no present tawgi yam historical facts figures mayam ama yawba madugi yam nungai ba ma lei aduna punna khoi gi mathangi sahi dagi di musu su muta su hujik mutana u thari na mu chief guest hoi bi ba duga guest of honor bi bo oja re sta song sat khre adagi NSS na sungarang handum silli adagi unat bhara abhiyan na sumamang da sahi ani rakta ek per mar ki naam aina maduda su pangthok ki ba adopted village da tau ki mayam ama lei u sar tha gi ba handak si ek per ma ke naam si 3.0 gi edition duni adagi ek bharat shreshtha bharat sel na su campus ki cleanliness ki thabak si mayam ama tau gi ba lei plastic bottle bank nearly 30 muk install tawrabani campus sida adubu still hujik si kainom tawba kanda punjai sai bagi posi adum leiri khoi campus sida complete koi haini sensitization ki posam wat padawna aina tawrisi chumbra lanbrai si khandhada badong tawba mayam ama yawe thauram ama loisalakba kanda lampak sida ga thaban ga song hragadi nongalak bur sai ba posi angakpani aduna ahinga thengwa bawai khoi si by virtue of my humble responsibility of kari haini DSW woi bosi dei khoi si ngasai gi security committee ki su yam son bai si chairman ga su woi ri nungdang si rang thoe na waja Shanti Kumar ne ta hodor kani ibani salaga pung 12 12 swai bau madu settle tawnu hona basi masing khangna dum yaure adagi angang sing funarami haibagi police station chatpa kedauba yam toire tawrisibo ba aduna sigi MIT ki program tawkanda kai keno yolam me madugi phana punana hingsida pungam hoktai gyan ta dabasi yam tholak pai tai koi da sensitization ki posam watpa sara runna bodi koi lai tam do loi yaure loi bhab ta edi haiba implementation ki part adi am son modong tawi sigi pot mayam ga si ngasai ge khona collectively pangthogadi world environment day tawbasi nongma khangna thaba numit manga tarungi dum tawbu yae NSS na complete se dum pajana luna na thamnabagi thabak numit manga ni ki cleanliness drive pajana pangthokbu yae aduga khoi gi environmental science aduga art science department yam phajaba angang singi marakta competitive events mayam pangthokbi ba yadong mali musuna so duda sogum bateng pangbi ba yae aduga khai hena collective oiba way ma dai khone changjin minaragadi yam nungai gadaba yam meaningful oiba pot ama oigadaba du ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯕꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯞꯇꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯧꯍꯟꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯑꯔꯨꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨꯗꯪꯗꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯌꯧꯍꯟꯗꯕꯅ ꯆꯨꯝꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯁꯤꯇꯤꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ 18th century ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ 19th centuryꯗ ꯐꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯩ ꯐꯦꯗꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯡꯒꯦꯜꯁꯅ ꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯦꯛꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯅꯦꯆꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯨꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯇꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯒꯦꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯗ ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯔꯨꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯐꯣꯟꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯃꯦꯠ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯃꯦꯠ ꯏꯃꯔꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯃꯦꯠ ꯏꯃꯔꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯤꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯅꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ inspired by nature aduga for climate for our future se aduna ngasai sustainable development goal 38 leiri sidasu ultimately yenguraga di mother earth si shape tawna bagi pot yam phajna yawi sumbagi pot mayam si hawlai ba youngster sing sidai khona phajna khangan ba sensitize tawbagi tangai phadaba mayam amasu leigadra haina feel tawi ekhoina pambi si pangtha da thabagi ओसी कानदी यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस से पाबी थाबम लेतबदों तौरे अयन हवाई एनएसएस की प्रोग्राम कोऑर्डिनेटर गोइंगेदा कॉलेज अमदा फंक्शन अमा याव चतकांदा अंगांग यामनो फागी तौरे साल पाबी अमदा से थाबीरमो हाय करिगिनो से थादोइदि हारगा से चीफ गेस्ट की पाबी थाबम नि हाय माय वास अयना थारमी बसी सही इम्फान चतबा हाइताई पथंग चीफ गेस्ट हम लागा समूह एक थाबा आईडी पामी से कोई मैम थारे पामी असुक थारे लेरे दुगा मदुगी सर्वाइवल की नर्सर तौबगी पोसी रीइंफोर्स तौबगी पोसी वाट पदौना एक तौई कोई वजा राजमोहन याम नुसिना लोइना वजानी कोई कक्सिंग की अंगान सिंगदगा माना पामी थाबगी करिगी तौरिसे कोई की खेती मयुम की मनो मयाम होय तौरगा याम नमसी कोई तमजनिंगाय होय पोट मनी असोमदा आदाम नगा यावरगा सिनबा उसारा थाबगी अदुगा रीइंफोर्स तौबगी हिंगन्नबगी रिप्लेस तौबगी पामी से थारोगदी हिंगनबगी तौबगी पोसी आम दरकार लेब्रा हैना फील तौई अदंगा सीसे सिगुम्बा वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे न लाखपसिदा अखोइना जम जमना सिदा अखोइ खरा पुनसलगा वारी वताई तौनबा इंटरेक्शन तौनबा सिगी मथक्ता सार अरुण नसु हाइबिरमलो प्रैक्टिकल की पर्सपेक्टिव दai होइसे खरा सोली हाइबदो अदुना नसीकी नुमिसदा मुसुनगा सिल्लगा मणिपुर यूनिवर्सिटी की लैरिबा छात्र महिरो पुनमक्सिना उ चारा मम थाबगी पोटकासे पाखलगरी याम फजगदौबा एनी मफम अमना थाब याई कैंपस लेतरसु माई मागी जगादा युमदा कैदा थाहलगा मदुगी फोटोग्राफ कासी नमग हेक थालकपा मदुगी प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन तौबा याम कानगदौ माले अदोइदी मुसुना सिल्लगा अंडर दी वेरी इनिशिएटिव ऑफ मुसु अंडर की वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे सिदा उसारा लिसिंग तरा थागरेगा इसी रेकॉर्डेड फॉर्म ले होदोरिनेबा सुंबा खितंग इनोवेटिव होइबा आइडिया गा से तौबा याई दुगा महिरोइ सिंग मरकता हप्ता मोकी प्रोग्राम ओइन सिनबा ngमगदी कलेक्टिवली सिनबा मुसुना तौबा याबन सी एनएसएस न सी तौरो उन्नत भारत अभियान एडॉप्टेड विलेज मंगा चलगा सी तौरुरो एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत सेंस न सेल्स न कैंपस सी फ्री वनना बदु तौरोगा न मयाम तौबा याय लोइसलकपद मदुगी प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन अमा तौरकांदा सिगी ngasi ऑब्जर्व तौबा नमिसिदा फिल्म दौनगा थादोगा येंगगदि याम नुंगाइगदबा पोट अमा वइनी अदुगा मत याउदोरिबा कंपटीशन द याउदोरिबा माहिरोइसिंग सिगी माइंडसेट तसु कदौबगी अखोन एनवायरनमेंट सि सेव तौदोइनो प्लानेट आर सि सेव तौदोइनो थीम जिना रिलेट तौरिबा पोसी कयाम पाक चाउइ हाइबन सिंग मयाम सि खंगनपदसु याम चाउ मथेंग अमा वइगदोइनी मसिना अखोइगी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग की पोतसु याम जाउन मतेंग पांगकनी है बजे थाजबनी ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯣꯁꯣꯐꯔ ꯀꯟꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯤꯌꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯩ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯗꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯗꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯊꯤꯡꯀꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯊꯤꯡꯀꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯠ ꯏꯖ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯋꯥꯠ ꯏꯖ ꯔꯣꯡ ꯊꯤꯡꯁ ꯇꯨ ꯕꯤ ꯗꯟ ꯊꯤꯡꯁ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯇꯨ ꯕꯤ ꯗꯟꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯕꯂꯞ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯕꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯝꯕꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯩꯅꯕꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯄꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯗ ꯏꯟꯀꯜꯀꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯤꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯛꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯁꯄꯦꯛꯇꯤꯞꯇ ꯆꯪꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯨꯁꯨꯅ ꯆꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯨꯁꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯗꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ 94 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯊꯦꯡꯛꯁꯀ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯋꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯖ 46 ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟꯅ ꯇꯦꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯨꯁꯨꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯑꯦ ꯍꯝꯕꯜ ꯗꯤꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯋꯦꯜꯐꯤꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯛ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯛꯅ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁꯤꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯤꯛ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯡ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯟꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯋꯦꯜꯐꯤꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯔꯐꯇꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯈꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟꯖꯒꯦ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ
Thank you so much, Professor C.H. Ibrahim Singh, Dean Students Welfare, Manipur University. Thank you, sir, for highlighting important facts and also for bringing in historical aspects and optimistic aspects also. So thank you so much once again. And now, as we proceed further, I'd like to invite Professor M. Premjit Singh, Registrar, Manipur University. Sir, please deliver some speech.
Professor Sumitra Phanjawam, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Manipur University, Professor M.C. Arun Kumar, Dean School of Human and Environmental Sciences, Nongpok Nganba Yambim, President Musu, 2025-26, Professor C.H. Ibrahim Singh, Dean Students Welfare MU, Learned Deans, faculty members, officers, members of the MUSU, and my dear students. Mayam Waro Biroy, Presidium members in the Wangang Lingeda, Mutagisu, World Environment Day, Plantation Gingak Yaurubuni, was asking the Sumari Nakang Tazo Buddha, quite Yam Kana Gadoba, Marik Chumba Yamna Highway. Mayamda in the Tamjaning Badi. Hoi Masisi, Akoyabna, Harauba, Amadi Nungai Fondopum Tokun Mitni, Manipur University si Mapangal Kanna Yamna Ling Nalerk Pasi 46 years Suri Habasi Taba the Koyam Chautok Chaningaini, High 46 years Sigi Manungda Ai Samaksu faculty member Oina. Observed the 25 years the Yahobo Mali. However, last 25 years the Manipur University see in them observed over the it's progressing very rapidly towards success, and its graph is increasing like anything. Adubu Hairiba Manipur University sina successful oibigi rate si yam hena wangkhatlan ba haibasida stakeholder si yamna maru oiba stakeholder oiribasi teaching community, administration, and the most important is students. Aigi personal view dadi university ma haibasi maruina leiriba young students sing sibu kamhai to knowledge earn to honba through research, maybe through MSc or through any course, knowledge earn to honba high riba knowledge do leiriba society sigi development da society sigi santi purakpada kamai na sinagadage haibasi through teachers kari to bone ba felicitate to bone hana khali high riba felicitation do da administration na mateng pangbani hairiba goal du achieve tawnanaba hotnabada satra singi goal du achieve tawnanaba hotnabada oja sing lobiriba thodang du da administration su yausilaga pulap punsilaga satra singbu inkhattuna society si yamna develop hoinaba society si yamna shanti leinaba hotnaba duni haina khanjai hoi mayamna hainai nothing is perfect. Universities da su last 46 years da khoidagi senior oja su mayam yawbiri urakpa matamda awatpa mayam uramba yai aduba hairiba awatpa singsi kamain tawna mengkhatkani kamain tawna awatpa singsi hantha halaga mai pakpagi lambi da khara yangna chalhangani haibasi hairiba stakeholder mayam sina collaboratively democratically yamna ingna chikna munna khanaraba matungda inkhatlagadi akoina yahoningba stage haigadra natraga mapangi leiriba atei university singa changdamnabada sotha handana lehenma ngamgani haibasi thajajai ani subada second theme oiriba world environment day gisi samakna kari haitare pi ingedegi ngasi fawda observe tawjarakpada global warming si yam phajana thokpa mali khoina pi ingeda yum amatada fan sizinabagi habit si leite na khali aya mamatamna dum ingba si dum kayam phajana inge da langbangi lakpada langban tarponda usop ki sagol hawai chambasi turel da pukhri da usop ki sagol hawai chambasi inge na akhoina pi inge da ningol mawa da chamalame pibasing sina tan na ningol mawa da chamal akhoi experience tori haidi ingbachi adubu haujikti yum sing sida fan sijina daba yum si ilai leiraktre masi akhoina dum khanbada umang kokthoklakpa maroina umang kokthoklakpa sinani na khalle ba koi udi dum yan thokpa aduga thabagi habit ti leitaba se akhoina khudamoina india gi dum capital go oreba delhi dadi masagi inkhol da hoba u hobo yan that pa yade madu yan ge haitaragadi forest department dagi permission lowgadabane akhoi sidadi aigi ingkhol da hobadu de dum aigi kusini dum paya da yan thali adu delhi sida mayam adum chappa mayam loi chapi ayam chapi rabanga tani chappa matam da mathak tagi uram gane delhi si akhoi swaida hauriba u sidagi mo khoina hobana yam hele adu u hobagi kanabasi mayam adum ubiram gani singjamai dagi adum lakpasida akoina saba feel tawrambase university ge gate se hek changbada celsius degree si ama ani dum handhabagi type ta feel tawe karigino da khoi universities ta u yam phajana hawe adamasi universities da hawriba usina sufficient oiram da basu yai khare hena tharaga aige wakhaldi university khakta natana akhoi ge chhatra singna natraga akhoi university community na responsibility ga lauraga atopa mafam da su khara pak chauna thabasi hogdokpana chumme hena khanjai karigino hairabada global warming si masi leirak pasina kari haitare global warming gi side effects si akoi environmental science ki ojas me amsi yawi rangali masi gi side effect haigadra मसीना इंसांग नापीदा एग्रीकल्चर थोकलाइबा इम्पैक्ट याम चावे अन ग्लोबल वार्मिंग सी प्लांटेशन तौबसी खक्तना खोई कनबंग ngमगनी हाइबगी थाजबदुनी मसीदा मणिपुर यूनिवर्सिटी की अखोई छात्र सिंगी यूनियन ना याम चावना थौदांग लौदना सिगुम्बा अवेयरनेस अमा पुरोपोसिस याम फै याम थागतनिंगाइनी अरोइबा लोसेलकपसिदा I wish each and every member of the university community a happy and a memorable Foundation Day. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Professor M. Premjit Singh, Registrar Manipur University, for your insightful words and your encouragement. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is my esteemed privilege to welcome Professor Sumitra Panjobam, Vice Chancellor in charge, Manipur University. Ma'am, we would request you to please deliver a speech regarding today's event.
Esteemed members on the dais, guests of honor of today's function, Professor M.C. Arun Kumar, Dean, School of Human and Environmental Sciences, Professor M. Premjit Singh, Registrar, Manipur University, Nongpok Nganba Yambem, President, MUSU 2526, Professor C.H. Bohal Singh, Dean, Students Welfare, Manipur University, Deans of different schools, the learned deans who are present here today, the heads of departments, faculty members, invitees, print and electronic media, and my dear students, officers of the university, of course, and my dear students. A very good afternoon to everyone of you present here today. First of all, my apologies for going out during the speeches of our guests of honors, because we have another function organized by MUTA for the World Environment Day, planting of trees. So before I comment on anything, I would like to say that it is very appreciable that MUSU has organized this 46th Foundation Day come World Environment Day, and I would say that this is a very auspicious day for us, and because we are celebrating and remembering two very important events or two very important days in our life. One is and the two are very aligned also. So the 46th Foundation Day of the university, one is, both are like our Mother Earth, and university is a life giver. So the one thing, the 46th Foundation Day is about the university, and this has nurtured us and given us what we have now today. Anything that we have today is because of the university. This has been much emphasized upon by the earlier speakers also, but I would like to reiterate that what we are today, the position that we enjoy, our place in the society, the comforts that we have is all because of the university, and therefore it is very important that we reflect and we celebrate the day when our university came into being. And the other celebration is the World Environment Day, and this is a celebration about our Mother Earth, which is the very source of our existence, the very source of our life. And in this regard, I appreciate and I like very much the theme of today's function, inspired by nature, for climate, for our future. So first of all, inspired by nature. Nature is so beautiful, as we all know. This is what has given us our existence, and we need to protect it. We need to safeguard it. And that is why we are being made aware of by the celebration of World Environment Day. Like if anything goes wrong with nature, then it is doomed for us. And it is high time that we become conscious and aware of this. And on this note, the World Environment Day, the planting of trees, and a little bit of effort from our side to save it, to nurture it, is very important. Then the next part of the theme is for climate. So climate change, which is a big global issue now, and climate change is affecting everything, every walk of our life, and the very existence is affected by climate change, and we know what is happening in our state and in the world. I need not go into that. And the other part is of the theme is for our future. I think this is very important in context with the earth, Mother Earth, and in context with the university. So we are celebrating this today. We are reflecting on these 2 days because it concerns, number one, the future of our university, the future of Earth, the future of our youth, the future of our next generation. So I think that each of us will have to be very conscious and aware for what we stand for and what we should work for. And the university has come into existence, and as we all know, there are 3 very important components of the university: the teaching faculty, the administration, and the students. And I feel the students are the most important part of the university community, because it is, as I have said earlier also, we are here for the students, and we are here because of the students. So our existence, our ability to contribute to the society, our ability to give back to the society, to the university, is through the students. By educating our students, by giving them our best time and interest, I think we are going to make good human beings, good human resources from the university, who can again be pillars of the society. So what I would like to emphasize and what I would like to urge to the students is, you are very important. We are here for you, and in these few years that you are in the university, you try to learn as much as you can. You try to enjoy, make good friend circle, build your network, and interact among yourselves, interact with the faculty, make the most of it, and prepare yourself for the future. And if you get any opportunity to get exposure, like going for conferences or going for any kind of exposure to other labs, please take the opportunity, and the university is there to help you. And if you are willing to work, then there are many forces, many sections that will help you to achieve what you want to do. And most importantly, it is not just about education, about preparing yourself for the future, but also about becoming good human beings. And you know, we have to be protect our university. We have to see that it grows forward. We have to see that its name is spread far and wide, and you are the flag bearers. So you must know that, and whenever you take any action, please keep the university first and interest for the self later. So I say this to all sections of the university community, that when we take any action or when we take any step, let us think that institution first and self comes later. And for the faculty and for the administration, when we do our duties, let us all remember that we are here for the students, and the students' interest should be at the foremost of our actions. So, and one thing that I would like to, I won't go into much detail, what I would like to just point out is that today is a very important day. We have celebrated it, and and we are celebrating it in every corner of the university. So MUSU is organizing this function, MUTA is organizing the World Environment Day, and the IQAC, led by IQAC, the university faculties and the staff also has organized the Foundation Day. So everyone is feeling that it should be celebrated, and it is being celebrated. But I feel that if there is more coordination and cooperation, I think it can be made a very big celebration for the university collectively. And I don't think anyone is to blame in this, because the university has, in these past few months, we have been through a very unfortunate series of events, and maybe because of that, the coordination could not be taken up. But everyone felt that this is very important, and every section of the university community is making their best effort to celebrate and to observe this day. And the fact that the tree plantation is going on by MUTA near the stadium, and by the MUSU, again, these are things that will be remembered forever, and that will contribute to the beautification of our university and towards saving the planet Earth. So let us all work towards saving the university, saving planet Earth, saving the future of the students, saving the future of our generation. Let us all work together towards this goal. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Professor Sumitra Panjobam, Vice Chancellor in Charge, Manipur University, for your insightful thoughts and words. And it's amazing to see how all the Presidium members here have connected both Foundation Day as well as environment and climate change, correlating every topic and enhancing the beauty of it and elaborating it. So can we have a big hands for dignitaries up here? Thank you so much. Thank you. Well, now, before we proceed with the rest of the program, we shall now have the ceremonial handover and release of the T-shirts commemorating today's World Environment Day celebration. And for this, I would like to request the office bearers of MUSU, Manipur University Students Union, to kindly come forward on the stage and assist in the proceedings of presenting the T-shirts to our respected dignitaries. I again would like to invite the office bearers of MUSU to kindly assist in the proceedings and present the T-shirts to our esteemed dignitaries on the dais. Thank you so much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we proceed forward, I would now like to invite Nongpongan Bayambim, President, Manipur University Students Union, 2025-26, to please deliver a speech regarding today's event.
kaikumna butchari amadi taram nokchari asigi asigumlaba chinglemlaba taibang mai kol asigi nimpuga taruklak suba foundation day amadi world environment day ga mari lenina pangthokchariba thoram asigi athoiba mithunglensing oibiriba aigi nungsijaraba jasing mingwaina hangatcharabada Madam Professor Sumitra Phanjawam, Vice Chancellor in charge, Sir Professor Moirangthem Premjit Singh, Registrar, Kaikhun Majariva Oja, Professor MC Arun Kumar, Dean, School of Human and Environmental Science, Ayoja, Dean of Students Welfare, Professor C.S. Ibol, Oja Singbu Amukasu Hanai Kaikum Naba Uchari Amadi, Thormasida, Lengshin Biriba, Ponopu Musugi Makai Digitaram Nokchari, Manipur gi oina khwaidagi thak wangba mahigi pukai gi tungnafam oiriba taibang mahi kol asigi asina haukiba chahi kya dagi leptana mahiroi kaya lamjing lamtak pirakli tungi yombi kaya semlakli amadi maru changba iramdam ama oina semgat piri dharma jat kuchu kanglup ki khenaba laitana maisang asida mafam kaya dagi mahiroi lising kaya na loksingi pukai tanba mafam asida lakli Nungsijaraba mahisang asina ikoi punakpu naukon biri amadi ojasing na ikoi bu lamjing lamtak piri aduna ngasidi ikoi gi thamoi dagi ngamjaba hairang lerang khradang oirabasu taibang mai kola sigi mafamda punna kanmagi tanja adu laujabagi samlaba thoram asida saruk yabiriba punamakpu musugi maikaidi amka chhanna thakachari loina sustainable future amagi damak healthier environment amagi mathau tabana ngasi university asida su world environment day gi thoramasi aikoina pangthok jabani afaba ising afaba nungsit afaba chinjak ponmak malem leiman aikoida pinibibeni aikoina su malem imabu karigi damak asungol bai koibu naukon birba imabu kanloi dawribano haibasi ai thamjage mamang dasu aikoibu takpi tambiriba jasingna toidok hendokna Fazaraba wafam kaya amasu thambikre losilakpada aina thamjaningbadi naha amoina tungi maru changba yumbi ama oina aikoigi tangai fadraba thodang amoina yut aikoina aikoigi tungi mirol gi damakta sustainable practices kya encourage tawduna aikoigi akoibada environment pu kansi haiba wafam si thamjaraga ai tension jage aroibada long live Manipur University long live Manipur punapu thakachari
Thagachari nong pongan bayambem Tharamasigi Tharamapugi Warol Thambibagi Damakta Thagapafondokchari. Next, I invite on stage Sdananda Sarangthem, Literary and Publication Secretary, Manipur University Students Union, to please deliver the vote of thanks.
Ngasi yaifaraba hirai numit musuna sinjalangduna pangtukchariba 46 Foundation Day kam World Environment Day thoramasida ngasigi mayai tambada lengsin biriba aigi nungsiraba oja Professor Sumitra Phanjawam, Vice Chancellor in charge, mathangda Professor MC Arun, Dean, School of Human and Environmental Science, MU. Mathangda Professor M. Premjit Singh, Registrar, MU. Mathangda Professor C.H. Ibol Singh, Dean, Student Welfare, MU. Amadi Egi Yamba, Nongpong Anba Yambem, President, Musu 25-26, Po. Ngasigi Tauram Masida, Haubudagi Loyo Fawa, Mapung Bhan Biduna, Ngasigi Tauram Masi, Saruk Yabi Damagta, Musuna, Haningai Litana, Tagat Pufong Sari. Loina na tungan ba department dagi lengbirak liba ay ginung siraba yamba scholar sing silinang sing puno magpusu nga sige thoram masi haw dagi loyo fobo mapung bahan bigi damagta haningai laitana tagat po pongduk sari loina na tungan ba department dagi lengbirak liba ay ginung siraba oja sing faculty member sing puno magpusu musugi mo chinjaraga hay hagna kai khom na loina na Tagat Pufong Duksari, Loina na ngasigi thoram ase formal function asi matang asida loisinjari adubu makha tabada haitare akhoi u thabagi thoram ama lei loina na akhoi foundation day ga mari leina na mayam gi haitare issue mayam ama su thokre si mayam si kitang settle torok pasida akhoi foundation day ga mari leina na isai macha ama su leijari adu mayam punamok miyeng tamina si aduga si tawdringai mamang oina na akhoi u thabagi thoram ase akhoi hall sida leminariba chilnau pulap punna wajaguru pulap punna akhoi u thabagi thoram ase saruk yamina si haibasi haijaraga aigi thagat waro matang asida tension jari.
Thank you so much, Siddhananda Sarangtham, for the vote of thanks. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this marks the end of the formal proceedings, and I invite everyone to gather outside towards the north gate of the Manipur University for the observance of World Environment Day, where we will proceed with tree plantation program. Thank you so much, dignitaries and Presidium members. Yes, akoy helipad romda tree plantation program chathagadori aduda t-shirt mayam su in gadori mayam aduda chapina baningsing jury, and after that I kindly request all of you to return to this very auditorium as we will be having an amazing concert with amazing artists. So please be here, and thank you dignitaries, thank you everyone. Thank you so much again. Kurum Jerry.